Good afternoon, girls. How was your day? Really? Then what happened? You guys just want a snack, don't you? Come on. Come on. You guys want some mealies? There we go. Good afternoon, guys. Figured I'd do another little short video here. This is my breakfast factory in the backyard. Got 6 Rhode Islands, 2 Americanos. My youngest daughter just had to have a couple of white chickens. That one there is Cupcake. That white one there is Princess. The rest of them are the Rhode Island Reds. This one here, that is Karen with the big tall comb. She's kind of the queen bee out here. That one there, that's Kylo Hen. That's my cuddly chicken. The rest of them don't have names. Just brown chicken 1, brown chicken 2, brown chicken 3, and of course, last but not least, brown chicken 4. There's one a little bit more. They love these mealworms. Don't give them to them every day. They're a little expensive, but they go a little crazy over them when you do get them. Food is decent. Gonna need some water here, huh? Let's go see if we got some eggs. This chicken coop was an old dog kennel that was here when we bought the property that I converted. I'm in the process of doing some altercations again. Hey, there we go. Got a couple of eggs. Nice job. Hi there. Sorry I'm taking your eggs, but thank you for breakfast. You guys get enough of that snack? I'll be back out in a couple minutes to give you guys some water. What do you think, Shadow? Yeah? Alright, guys, have a good one. Stay warm. It's supposed to be cold this week.